Hello viewer, if your Google Lens not working, let's see how to fix Google image search not working problem. Step 1. Tap and hold on Google app. Click on I button. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Now from the lower corner, clear cache data from Google app. Now go back. Click on permission. From here make sure your camera permission is allow and also allow photo and video permissions. Now go back and follow the second step. Open Google Play Store. Now search Google app. From here, update your Google app. So please follow this 3 steps to fix Google Lens not working or Google image search not working.